Hi everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video with me, Meg. Today we are opening the last 2 of the 4 boxes I bought from Kika Goods recently, plus another lovely little free gift blind box. Thank you once again to Kika Goods. Both of these blind boxes are from the Liita character range. This first one is from the Liita's Dream series, which I have the dancing character from. This one here. There are 9 possible designs plus 1 hidden design. The box has a different weight feel to it, so hopefully that means I have a different character this time. Let's find out which one I have. Let's put this one over here so I can't see it. Definitely not the same one. Oh my gosh. She is adorable. We have got the waiting. It's a little card. Very cute. Oh, so adorable. Oh, she's so cute. I love that she's got this little black bunny. Her little black bunny companion on the side there. She's got cute little glossy shoes. Beautiful glossy mushroom dress that you can see, not to be rude, but you can see like it's the shape of what the mushroom looks like underneath as well, if you see a real mushroom. And she's got beautiful black glossy hair and the little mushrooms growing out of her head, and this little green bit you might be able to see is like the flocked, so like the little fuzzy bit. She is super cute, and she's got like little stars in her eyes as well. She's adorable. Oh my goodness. She'll make a good friend for the dancing one, I think. Awesome. Right. Next, let's open the Liita Embrace Fantastic Adventure blind box. I don't have any from this series, so it'll be very exciting to see which one I get. This one has 8 possible characters plus 1 secret character. Let's see who's inside. Sorry, just organizing my rubbish. Just a little bit. Extra thing to put together. We've got let's see. Ooh, she's pastel-y pink one. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. Oh wow. This is, let's look at her little card. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Immersion. Oh, yeah, a little closer. immersion. That usually means immersion's usually in water, just from my understanding. Yeah, oh, so cute. So I just need to put, look at her, she's so sweet. So her hair almost makes it look like a little cloud. Wait, she goes that way. Okay, like that. Like that, sorry. So she looks, yeah, her hair makes it look like she's in like a little cloud or like in a little hand, but she's actually got these cute little feathers, little feather detail around, and she's got little like wings on there. Here we go. Now she's a little bit bright, being all pastel and white. She's got these cute little legs, and she's got like a little bandage. Oh, sit still, friend. That way. I've got this little bird ribbon thingy to put on as well. So we'll just hopefully put that in carefully. Okay. Let me just look at the box. Maybe her card will be easier to see. Okay, so this goes. There's a little piece. It goes in like this. Oop. Oopsie. Always makes me nervous when I've got like a little piece to put in because I don't want to break it. This is a very specific shape that it needs to go in. Oh. Okay, so it faces that way. Okay, bear with. Should go in like that. Like that. Maybe like that. Okay. I think that's very specific shape. But I don't want to force it. Okay. Like that. Oh, so cute. So pretty. And like the detailing on the little bird is adorable too. So cute. Oh my goodness. They can all hang out together somewhere on my shelf. She's a bit of a fussy one to get to sit down though, I must say. Okay, right. Lastly, let's open this Dodo Rara blind box, which is the bonus gift. There are 6 possible designs plus 1 hidden design. Yeah. They all look like very moody but cute characters. Let's see which sassy character I get. Dodo Sugar. I'm not sure it's Dodo Rara or Dodo Sugar. Let's have a go. Cute. Oh my goodness, these extra bits. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. And I've got the bunny one. I don't know what her name is. Let's have a look at the little card. Oh, I love that the cards are like little, like sort of movie ticket stubs. And you can take off the edge, like if you were going to the theatre. So this is Stolen Heart. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. She has a lot of flocking on her, as you can see. She's very cute. She's got a little bunny tail. She's got little fuzzy socks. And this little bunny she's cuddling is all soft flocked. Oh, so cute. I love her little like casual puffy hair with the little bows on it. This is so cute. I wasn't too sure because there were some quite different sort of styled ones in this blind box that I'm not quite my style. But I'm so glad I got the bunny one. That's very my style. She's even got a rabbit. Ooh, that way. Rabbit tattooed on her little arm. Wow. She's got like a little bunny detail in her face. Wow, so she's like maybe part bunny too or something. And the ombre and the hair for the detail. So sweet. Okay, let's put on this little, she's got like a little hat, little bunny hat. Let's stick this on. I like when there's extra things. I know I just said I'm like, I don't like it. It's more when I have to attach things that are like, you gotta put in firmly. Makes me a little nervous. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Her little hat. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. Look at that. Oh, it's very white. Sorry. It's a little bunny bonnet. Just goes on like this. How do I... Oh, okay. It goes over the... Where do I tie it? Oh gosh. Alright. Let's... Ooh. Goodness, it's almost like sewing. We'll just pull that through there and pull that down a little bit. Oop. This is reminding me of my Nyota one that has the little hat thingy on. Okay, I'm gonna do it as tight as I can just to make sure it's nice and secure. I do appreciate that there's a very long ribbon on this, so that is very helpful with the design. Okay, I'm just gonna tie her up. Oh, so cute. Okay, and there she is with her little bunny hat and all. Kind of sticks up a little bit, but you get the idea. It's very, very cute and fluffy and fuzzy. And she's got the cutest little moody eyes, like, get out of here, man. I'm having a rest. But yeah, I'm really happy with all these very unique characters. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. And subscribe if you'd like some more fun unboxing videos with me. See you on the next one. Bye.